Whether you're a fabricator, metal artist, you always know that Victor's gonna be completely consistent throughout the entire day.
I could always trust in Victor. It always performs.
Just knowing that it's gonna start, it's gonna stop, knowing that it's gonna ignite, knowing that it's gonna turn off.
There's no kickback. The torch is not gonna slam out of your hand.
Knowing that that product is gonna go through the entire project without missing a beat.
So for any artist that's looking into torching, Victor brings out the soul and characteristics of the metal, then brings out your vision that you want to, bring to life. I wouldn't trust any other one.
You don't need to be born as an artist. Just go out and do it. Get a Victor torch and start doing this stuff. It's not rocket science. It's just something that comes from the heart.
I'm a Victor guy for life.
Victor is for everyone.